Sometimes we record videos, but the quality is not great. Maybe it's blurry old footage or low resolution. Today I'm testing an AI tool called HitPaw VikPea that claims it can upscale videos all the way to 4K resolution. If you're a content creator or editor, you probably have old clips or low-quality videos that you wish looked better. Normally, fixing that takes complicated editing or expensive software. HitPaw VikPea is an AI video enhancer that can automatically upscale and improve video quality. It uses AI models to increase resolution, sharpen details, and make the video look cleaner. As you can see, the process is actually very straightforward. First, I'll import the video that I want to enhance. This can be any low-quality or old footage that needs improvement. Once the video is loaded, the next step is to select the AI model. HitPaw provides different models depending on your use case, but for this example, I'll choose the one best suited for general video enhancement. After that, I'll set the output resolution to 4K. This is where the main upgrade happens as the AI works to increase the details and overall clarity of the video. Before exporting, I can preview the result. This is really useful because it lets you compare the changes and see how much the quality has improved. And finally, once everything looks good, I'll export the video. The software processes the clip and generates the enhanced version automatically. So overall, the workflow is simple, and you don't need advanced editing skills to get solid results. While the video is exporting, this is actually where the tool does all the heavy work. And honestly, that's what makes it useful. You're not manually tweaking anything or spending hours fixing clips. The AI handles everything in the background, from improving details to enhancing overall clarity. For creators, this means you can focus more on content and less on technical corrections. Especially if you're working with old footage or low-quality clips, tools like this can seriously speed up your workflow and make your videos look much more polished without extra effort. Now, here's the most important part, the before and after. On the left, you can see the original clip. It looks soft, lacks detail, and overall feels low quality. But once we apply the AI enhancement and upscale it to 4K, the difference is clearly visible. The enhanced version looks sharper, cleaner, and the details are much more defined. Even the overall clarity feels significantly improved. So if you work with old footage or low-resolution clips, tools like this can save you a lot of time and instantly upgrade your video quality without complex editing.